Let's face it, as a consumer, there aren't many things you can buy for $1 these days. Perhaps a small cup of joe or a side of fries. But in the stock market, $1 can get you on the first rung of the investment ladder. Here are the best stocks you can buy for under $1 right now. These videos take quite a long time to produce, so we're going to ask you a small favour. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. It really helps gain more exposure to the video. First up is Canadian corporate jet manufacturer Bombardier, ticker BDRBF. Travel restrictions because of the pandemic punched a bit of a hole in their fuselage, but easing restrictions alongside a corporate restructuring have ushered in a bounce back for the company. Since November, they have gone from strength to strength, now trading at a year-long high, and their earnings report is looking very healthy indeed. This could be a great time to invest in the company before their stock really takes off. What do you call an untapped gold reserve in the Colorado desert? Never mind. Fear not, our next company, Golden Minerals, ticker AUMN, leaves no precious stone unturned. They have a large portfolio of gold and silver mining properties across Mexico, Argentina, and Nevada, and are in a strong position for 2021. Market volatility saw many investors rushing back to precious metals as a stable form of investment, and Golden Minerals certainly reaped the benefits of this, with a generally upward trend in stock price. The company is regularly meeting its production goals, and an increase in revenue could be soon to follow. Keep an eye on this stock for sure. Next on our list is a trust by the name of Chesapeake Granite Wash, ticker CHKR. Run by Chesapeake Energy Corporation, this trust owns royalty interest from their oil and natural gas operations in Oklahoma, and has an impressive dividend yield of 9.92%. Despite a slow decline over a 6-month period in 2020, May and June saw a sharp upward trajectory, and their price-to-earnings ratio makes this a great value-for-money option in the oil and gas market.
If you want to trade the stocks featured in this video, or any other stocks online with zero commissions and no deposit minimums, then Webull is the platform for you. They offer a number of trading options, account types, and in-depth stock analysis tools to help you become a better investor. Plus, you get free shares of stock like Apple or Tesla just for joining. Check out the link in the description for more details, and don't forget to claim your free stocks when you sign up.
In the biotech space, we have Regulus Therapeutics, ticker RGLS. The company uses microRNA technology to develop drugs for a variety of conditions, including a treatment for kidney disease. Their most recent candidate is currently in Phase 1b trials, and the initial results are looking positive for the company. Regulus is currently enrolling patients for a second cohort in this study, and if trials continue on this trajectory, their stock could potentially break out of the $1 range. There is plenty of potential for this company, which could make it a great pick for any portfolio. Speaking of biotech companies, Zomedica, ticker ZOM, makes veterinary diagnostic devices, keeping tails wagging happily across the US. The company recently launched TrueFormer, a device that helps test dogs and cats for illnesses quickly. Since this device has just hit the market, there is plenty of room for this company to grow as they begin to distribute the product. Their earnings reports are looking healthier than a Dalmatian on pedigree, and their business model looks strong, which could make it the perfect time to buy. With the world beginning to return to normal post-pandemic, one industry that investors are keen to sink their cash into is oil and gas, and our next company could benefit from this resurgence. Gran Tierra Energy Stocks, ticker GTE, is a Canadian company with worldwide oil and gas operations, with most notable assets falling in Ecuador and Colombia. Their production rate and earnings are looking solid, and some analysts think that this stock could be undervalued, which can make it a great time for investors to jump on board. The final stock for under $1 on our list is fintech company InvestView, ticker INVU. Through 3 different brands, the company aims to make investing and financial success more accessible to everyone. The brands are iGenius, a suite of financial education tools, SafeTech, a high-performance data suite, and Safe Management, a registered investment advisor. In recent years, investing tools and solutions have been on the rise, and InvestView is perfectly positioned to provide the tools for a resurgence in investment. This could be a great addition for investors wanting to take advantage of a recovering economy. So there you have it, the best stocks to buy right now for under $1. These stocks offer investors a route into the stock market without having to splash the cash. Be aware that lower priced stocks are always subject to higher levels of volatility, so make sure you do your research before jumping in at the cheap end.